As a busy realtor, finding tools that save time, improve your workflow, and strengthen your client relationship can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Well, guess what? I've done some hard work. Actually, I've been using these tools all year long. And today I want to share you 5 of the tools that I think have transformed some of the stuff that I have been doing all year for getting my business out, prepared, and helpful for marketing, my client relationships, and just having everyday conversations much better in the business. So let's get started. You don't want to miss out on this. We are going to talk quickly about 5 of my favorite tools. This is Opus Pro, ChatGPT, Social Bee, Canva, and Otter.ai. These tools right now, I can't live without. So first, let's just start with Opus Pro. This tool is basically a content creator's dream. And don't get me wrong, folks, every single one of us should have a content streaming, content creating strategy. Whether you are doing video or not, you should be doing video. And this will turn your long form video into content gold. So what is Opus Pro? Well, what it does is it does, as I just said, it takes your long form content in there. Hold on one second. Comes in here and it takes your content that you've uploaded, you created from YouTube, on your phone, wherever. It takes that. And what it does in here is you can choose for it to do clip anything, which is what I like. It's a beta testing right now, but you can give it a job, an instruction on how you want it to pull the content. Like, for instance, you can say, I need to create viral short videos to get more viewership talking about lead generation or the home buying process, whatever it may be. You can put that in there and it will then try to identify what it thinks those talkable moments are. Or you can click on the clip basic, which you get to then identify what you want. But if you take a 15-minute video, you can then come out there and take that 15-minute video and probably create somewhere between 15 and 20 different biteable, usable chunks, usually somewhere between 30 and 2.5 minutes. I like them to be right around 60 seconds. Now, what I like about this is when you have the tool itself, it will actually create for you captions in place. These texts are visually very strong. They are extremely helpful for you to get moving forward and have that eye capture purpose. The next part I love about it is I can actually just right from here schedule that post. I can come in here, identify a day that I want it to go out, pick a time, and now it's going to go out to all the social media platforms that I put in the system. Now, this does, I'm going to be honest with you, folks, all of these today will come at some sort of a cost. Don't have to pick them all. I'm just showing you some that have helped me grow the business this year. So it is having a mini production tool really at your fingertips. This is helping to be engaging and very impactful on your business. So I'm a big fan of Opus Pro. Next is ChatGPT. Now, this tool, if we haven't heard about it yet, is your AI all-in-one powerhouse. This will help you do almost anything you need to do inside of real estate. You can help it identify analytics of a marketing tool. You can help it build charts for you. You can help you build a lead generation strategy. But most recently, what I just got done doing is I got done teaching a goal building class. And I showed people in here how they could use ChatGPT to not only build social media promotions, but I also told it, I showed in here in the system how they could actually build a goal planning session. So it was really easy. A few key prompts. And from here, they had a total actionable plan from this. Now, you want to know more about that? Come check out my previous videos. You're going to see more about that. But this is good to do. And you can come in here and say, all you need to do in here and when you get this done, it will give you a lot of detail. And this can be extremely helpful. And just by doing very simple tools and very simple opportunities in here, you have created very basic expenses and information in here that will show you how to break it down. Now, you're seeing some things in this example. I've already taught it some stuff in the past, so it's breaking stuff down. I like the 12-week year plan, but this is extremely helpful. And this is just one way you can get ready for 2025 using ChatGPT. Other ways is there's now an extension on there that you can use, and you can put that extension on the app. So now you can search the internet, essentially. Also, my favorite thing as of recent is the app. The ChatGPT has an app, and I can talk to it. And while I'm driving or walking and talking, I can brainstorm with it and help build really good ideas, actionable steps, and solutions for the coming year, the coming month, whatever it may be. It can be my task manager, my assistant. I think ChatGPT is one of those tools that can be your working, overpaid, or overworked, underpaid assistant, right? It's a solid tool that'll help make your workflows work seamlessly. Now, next, along that line is Social B. So I can tie ChatGPT into Social B. And Social B, in case you are not aware of it, is a tool that will help you manage your social media posting. So again, all these tools have a cost. ChatGPT, you don't have to do some of the things I just showed you. You can use for free. I'm going to tell you, you're probably going to want to in the end, but you test it for free. But this tool, you can test for a little bit. In the end, you're going to have to pay for it. And there will be links in the video below. You'll see them there. But I can come in here. A couple of things to be aware of in here. One, I can create my categories. So first place, I can create all these different categories: engaging posts, how-to guides, interactive quizzes. And I'll be honest with you, setting it up, there's actually an AI tool that will help you set it up. So it works really easy. But once you do that, then you can come in here and start building your posts. And when you build your posts, you can write them out yourself. You can come in here, which is what I do, use ChatGPT to build those posts. But then I got questions I can answer. I can decide which social media platforms I want to post them on. I can actually use their AI tool to actually generate captions, images, or customize each caption if I wanted to. I can add my own pictures in here if I wanted to. I can do a lot in here, and then I can caption each one for each post style. I also can decide when I want to post it. I can also decide if I want to requeue. Requeuing is huge for posting in social media, because then it will come through and continue to post myself, especially your evergreen content is really good for that. And then we have expired posts. So in here, you have the ability to decide when to expire, especially if you have non-seasonal stuff, events you're doing, open houses, stuff like that. You may want to expire it after a while, so it goes away. I love this tool. This saves me a ton of time working inside of creating social media posts that, to be honest, I don't have a time to worry about every day of the week. And this removes me worrying about getting on top of my content. When I have lulls in my marketing, this picks me up. All right. Next is Otter.ai. I love this tool. Now, when I first got it, I'll be completely honest with you, I got it as a simple transcription tool. I could talk into it, it would transcribe. Now, there's a whole set of Otter.ai chats that are in here. You can help ask it questions. You can record during your Teams or Zoom meetings, and it's going to summarize it for you. It'll tell you your actionable items. It is a way of simplifying stuff. It'll even email you great information about it. This tool is wonderful. And it makes life tremendously simple for me. So I get to see everything I need to have in here. There are actually systems in place that when I'm working on it, I can actually have it record meetings that maybe I couldn't even attend. I would caution against that just for the fact that when you're looking at these tools, there are certain privacy, there are certain expectations. You don't want to put pressure on offices or members or your people that you don't want to do. But this tool, I cannot recommend enough. It's been doing great information as of late, and you can come in here and see what's happening in those meetings, even when you could maybe not attend. Last but not least is Canva. Still a tried and true scenario, a tried and true tool for you. This tool just keeps getting better and better every day. They have more and more stuff that comes out every day in here. You can see in here right off the bat, there's a dream lab. I can describe an image in a few words and it will build them for me. This has gotten so much better. But if I even come up to the home button, I can come out here and say I need social media posts for sellers in Wheaton, Illinois. And when I do that, it will try to find the ones in here in place for me. But it will also give me other social media posts that I can put out there. And if you have things that are maybe a little more creative in nature, you can actually let the system build it for you, and it will do it for you. I can create a design, and I can start saying what I want to do. I can create social media posts with stats for marketing. And you can start seeing it starting to give me different information about what I can pick and go through and find that good stuff that's there. And it will let me go through, and it helps me run through the information I want. So Canva is such a solid tool. There are so many things out there. The one thing I do want to make sure I point out in here is the apps button, because there are a lot of AI-powered apps, productivity design tools out there, and it's become really good. So don't be afraid to come in here and play with Canva. It is, as far as I'm concerned, for $120 a year, still the best tool in your business you can invest in today, because not only can it give you have access to it, but you can give team members access to it as well. And it ties directly into tools like Social Bee, ChatGPT. It will help make your life tremendously easier. And one last thing, if you don't have Social Bee, you don't want it, and you don't want to spend that money, don't worry about it. While Social Bee is automated, you have to manually do it here. You can put up posts and schedule it in the Canva calendar, and it will go out to your social media. So those are some tools that are out there. My favorite 5 tools as of today: Opus Pro, ChatGPT, Social Bee, Otter.ai, and Canva have been absolute game changers for me in 2024. Whether you're looking to save time, improve communications, or even boost your marketing, these tools will transform your business and make it a profitable 2025. So I'm curious, which one are you most excited about? Put in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. I can't wait to hear from you. We'll see you at the next video.